Hi everyone, we're ploughing today. It's the 17th of October. I ploughed this field this morning. It's a 9-acre field. We're hoping to get it drilled tomorrow afternoon, so well, just finishing the headlands. It's now coming up to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're going to roll it down this afternoon and work it up ready for drilling. So hopefully it'll dry out then. Dry a bit overnight maybe, but certainly dry tomorrow morning. So we've got TV test tomorrow morning, so hopefully then I'll drill it tomorrow afternoon, and it'll be dry enough to roll it in as well by the look of it, as long as it doesn't rain. It's looking like it's going to rain again on Wednesday. It's Monday, yeah, Monday today, rain again on Wednesday, and it's not looking very good then. It's looking showery right through till the end of the month. So once we get this field in, we got a field out over, which is over there, I don't know if you see from here through that gateway. That's an 11-acre field. So once we've got these two fields done, that will be it, and it'll all be in. So I'm just ploughing the headlands at the moment, and on the sort of short ground side where I've got sort of not very nice ins and outs, I'm just sort of turning out a couple of plough widths, and then we'll turn it back in, and hopefully it should be quite level. So yeah, let's give it a try and see how it looks. You sort of see behind what I've been doing, so I'll put the camera up on the windscreen. Yeah, I can't believe how it's dried out really since this morning. We did have a dry night and rain yesterday afternoon. I was tempted to plough it yesterday, which was Sunday, but we knew there was some rain coming through last night, or yesterday evening, so we decided against it because we didn't sort of want to get any rain on the ploughing, and then it would stay dry. That was the plan, so it's working so far. Let's hope it works out right, or we're able to get it drilled. Right, that's all done. I've scraped the worst of the earth off the plough. Still got this field to plough at some point, but that won't be for a few days now. So go home, oil it up a little bit, and take it off, get the cultivator on, and get up here, and we'll start rolling and cultivating.